Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the custard base and getting shells ready. Whisk 4 whole eggs with 80 g sugar until combined, then slowly add 300 ml warm milk to temper. This prevents curdling. Once incorporated, strain the mixture through a fine sieve into a jug to remove air bubbles and chalazi so the filling sets silky. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 200 degrees and blind bake ready tart shells for 10–12 minutes to avoid a soggy bottom. You now assemble and bake for a smooth, custardy center. Pour the strained custard into pre-baked shells until about 3/4 full. This leaves room for gentle expansion. Reduce oven to 180 degrees and place tarts on a tray. For even heat, nestle them in a shallow water bath or set a pan of hot water nearby to stabilize temperature. Bake for 18–22 minutes until edges are set and centers still slightly jiggly. They'll finish firming as they cool. You finish and troubleshoot to guarantee perfect texture. Remove tarts from oven and cool on a rack for 15–20 minutes so the custard finishes setting evenly. Chill at least 30 minutes if you prefer firmer slices. When serving, warm gives silkier mouthfeel, chilled gives cleaner slices. If you see curdling or grainy texture, stop baking, let cool slightly. Then gently pass the custard through a sieve and reduce future bake temperature by 10–20 degrees.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.